Hey, Nolan Ryan here. Hard work, determination, and consistency always pays off in the long run. Visit LJ's BBQ and you'll see what I mean.
Being here in Brenham, there's a lot of history and we've got a lot to live up to. It's a small town, but we're known as the baseball capital of Texas, the home of Bluebell ice cream and endless fields of bluebonnets. We started LJ's BBQ to bring this community and all its visitors the best possible plate of food we can make for a fair price. We grew up eating all kinds of food: barbecue, southern food, Mexican food, and when I started smoking brisket myself, I thought I was doing a pretty good job. Come to find out, after a taste of Franklin barbecue, I had a lot to learn and a long way to go. So that's what I set out to do in my own backyard, learn and keep getting better. Then, one day I got a chance to do a big catering job up in Brenham.
Matt was looking for a hand, and I was more than happy to pitch in. The event went great. Everyone loved the food. Afterward, while we were celebrating, we decided it was about time to name our operation. We decided on LJ's after our grandmother, Laura Jean, and rode the momentum and see where it would take us.
We started out as a pop-up at Home Sweet Farm. It was the two of us with help from my cousin Leah. A few briskets hit the pit each weekend. True to the Central Texas method with heavy black pepper and just enough salt where you can taste it. We really didn't have a plan B.
We tried to create a family feeling every time, and business picked up. We got a new smoker, moved into our own space, hired employees who have come to feel like family. And at every step, we just figured out how to do it by just doing the work. We focused on cooking for the community, trying to treat people right, and just keep on going.
Even though we're always working on the fly and rolling with the punches, consistency has been key to our growth and success. It helps to know that our briskets will be reliable, from the 1st to the 20th brisket we cut into each day.
As time went on, the number of briskets kept going up. So did our reputation. Texas Monthly Top Newcomers list in 2019, and then made the Top 50 list in 2021.
We have regulars from Seattle, Italy, and Japan who come to visit every time they're in Texas. And wherever someone comes from, our favorite thing to hear, the thing that makes it all the sweat and hard work of running a barbecue restaurant worthwhile, is when someone says, "I haven't had barbecue that good in a long time." It's the best feeling and it keeps us going.
When you're proudly serving Goodstock, you're serving the finest for certain.